What's up, guys? We just got to my friend's house. There's the STI. It's pretty rad. I like it. It's nice. Hold on, let me turn the lights on because I don't want to disturb. You can see that. Yeah, it's nice. Got some quad tip exhaust going on. I dig his car. Mud flaps, and it's rabbit carbon fiber trunk. It's nice. You'll see it. I'll show it.
Performance. Well, what are you doing? You can't be recording.
That's too bad, man. Welcome. Hey, you can't be recording, man. What's wrong with you? This is my channel. I'm taking over. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Pat's Performance. We're doing an exhaust clip on a 2019 Mustang GT. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, I got you there, buddy.
Does your brother still have the FOS jersey?
Nah.
Alright.
Oh, wait, hold on. Sounds really good. Dude, it sounds really good though.
It does. That's loud though.
Yeah, so the Mustang GT sounds really good. What do you think, Eric?
I think it sounds vicious. Vicious. I need to hear some flyby clips first though.
Yeah, you're right, definitely. I think, yeah, you're right about that. Probably get that done, man, 'cause this thing is looking real good. It sounds, man, it's loud, dude. I can't wait till he rips it.
Boy.
STI, boy.
Oh, look at those cars.
Where? Dude, that's loud.
What? That's it, go to like 4K.
Dude, that's loud, Jorge. 4K. Yeah, right? That's what I said.
Performance exhaust. That's the name of the brand. Right there.
Got some nice power shifters. It's looking good. 10 speed. Dude, it's got 1,600. It has 1,600 miles.
Yeah, I know. It's only got 1,600 miles.
Ooh, brand spanking new, son. It's looking great.
Memphis, man.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. You see my buddies in the 5-0. About to go do this. We're gonna reschedule for another day. It's raining, so stay tuned till next week. I'm gonna be editing more videos. You gotta edit this video, so peace out.